Excuse me. I have a class in an hour, and I was just wondering if you could briefly explain to me the history of the Philippines.
Philippine history, right?
Uh-huh.
Uh, Philippine history, on March 16, 1521, Magellan discovered the Philippines. Then, week, Jam died because of lung cancer.
Oh, wow, that really gave me a lot to think about. Thank you so much for your help. I have to go to class now. Bye-bye.